Hi, mighty mathematicians. Today I want to go over the rule of nines for multiplication. It's a really helpful way to learn the number, like to remember our multiplication facts for the number 9. I'm going to do this fast because nobody likes long videos. However, we'll go over it again and we're going to do lots of practicing. So it's really cool, this rule of 9, or this trick of 9, I should say. So here's the deal. So we'll start with 9 times 0. 0 times any number is 0, so we know that already. 1 times any number is the number itself. So 1 times 9 is 9, the number itself. But now it gets interesting because now we are going into numbers 2 through 9. And there's a special helpful trick to help you remember. 9 times 2 is 18. So here's a little trick to know. Let's do orange. If I subtract, so 9 times the number is 2. If I subtract 1 from 2, so 2 minus 1, it gives me 1. And guess what? 1 is the starting number for the answer with 9 times 2. Let's do it with the next one. 9 times 3, 27. Let's look. Okay, 9 times 3. 3 is the number. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So guess what? 2 is the starting number for the answer. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 minus 1 is 2. There's another one. Let's look at 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Let's go to red again. 4, that's the number that's being multiplied by 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. Again, the starting number for the answer. Cool, right? So, let me get rid of all this for now. Let's go on to some higher numbers. Let's do 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8. Let's see. So the rule is we're going to take the number that's being multiplied by 9 and we're going to subtract 1 from it. So that would be 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we know that the answer starts with 4. And I know 9 times 5 is 45. Here's another little trick. If you look at the numbers in the answer, well, lo and behold, check this out. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So that's another good way to remember what the rest of the answer is. So let's move on. 9 times 6. We do 6 minus 1. That's 5. Our answer starts with 5. 5 plus some number equals 9. Well, we know from our practice of addition facts that 5 plus 4 equals 9. Boom! There's our answer, 54. 9 times 6 is 54. I hope I haven't lost you. Again, we're going to practice this a lot, but I'm hoping that you can sense or see the pattern here. 9 times 7. 9 times 7. Let's look at the number 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. The answer is 63 because 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 times 8. Let's do this one. 9 times 8 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Boom. There's our answer. Now, I'm going to erase all this and move on to the higher numbers. So, now we left off with 8. 9 times 9. 9 times 10. 9 times 11. So 9 times 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. There's our answer there. Now we're getting into double digits. Let's see if the rule applies. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. The answer is 90. It checks. Now here is what you need to remember, okay? This rule ends at the number 10 because 9 times 11, well, 11 minus 1 is 10, so it doesn't work. The answer for 9 times 11 is 99. So after 10, we just need to memorize 11 and 12, and we're going to go up to 15, I hope. So those we're going to have to memorize, but the trick for remembering a number between 1 and 11 is that it's the number itself 2 times. So we'll do the 11 trick later if you haven't already learned it, but let's do one more reinforcement of this rule, this special fun rule. Okay. Kiddos, I'm going to give an example. 9 times 3 equals 27. How do we know that? 3 minus 1 equals 2. So the answer begins with a 2. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Now, let me give you problem or an equation to solve here. Erase. Okay, trust me, this video is almost over. Let's do 9 times 8. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to figure that out using this rule. Here's the hint. We're going to look at this number first, this number minus 1. Then we're going to see whatever that number is, what number gets added to it to make 9. If you got the answer, 72. Congratulations, you got it correct. And I'll see you next week where we are going to do some more hardcore multiplication. I want to remind you that you get extra credit worksheets that you don't have to do, but you are going to get chips for doing them. And we all know what those chips get us. And I want to also remind you that please remember your supplies, your bag, your binder. I am going to do a binder check at the beginning of the next class. And, you know, it's very easy for us to rely on our parents or babysitters or whoever to say, oh, so-and-so, don't forget your Mega Math bag, but I want to try and see if you can remember without anyone having to remind you. And on that note, little mighty mathematicians, I will see you